Buhay pa ang kampanya ng Meralco Bolts sa pambansang liga matapos pataubin sa Game 1 ng playoffs ang Phoenix Fuel Masters. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Belle Gregorio.
A match that extended to overtime not just once or twice, but 3 times. At isang koponan sure ng pasok sa semis. Balikan natin who came out on top sa pagsisimula ng PBA Playoffs.
They set up Newsom to tie things up. Yes!
Lumamang man by as many as 15 ang twice to beat Phoenix, hindi nagpatinag ang Bolts. After 3 overtimes, Meralco Bolts lived to fight another day, forcing a do-or-die thriller against the Fuel Masters. Kinilalang best player of the game si Bong Quinto, who had 19 points. 7 sa ikatlong overtime, including a 3 that sealed their 116-107 victory. Patuloy naman ang pag-init ng top seed Magnolia Chicken Templados Hotshot. Led by Tyler Bay's 41 points and 13 rebounds, pinatumba ng Magnolia ang TNT 109-94 para maging unang koponan this conference to punch a ticket to the semis. Inaantay na lang ng Magnolia kung sino sa Meralco o Phoenix ang kanilang makakatapat in the next round. Bukas na ang laban ng 4 mga koponan sa PhilSports Arena, Pasig. Huwag magpahuli sa tapatang Rainer Shine San Miguel at Northport kontra Ginebra. Mobile Journal, Belle Gregorio, hatid ang mukha ng balita.